These massive chainsaws operate on a whole different level, easily handling the mammoth job of felling and processing large timber with unprecedented speed and precision. Subscribe to our channel for more incredible chainsaw moments. Let's get into it. The Magni 630 chainsaw leads in advanced technology, proactively tackling hazardous trees. Boasting a cutting capacity of 630 MA and a robust motor, it effortlessly ensures safety and efficiency in clearing trees from steep embankments. The evolution of the chainsaw machine has been remarkable, with advancements in design and technology enhancing its efficiency and ease of use, making it an indispensable tool for arborists and lumberjacks alike. The Magni 630 machine handles tree trunks expertly, with an impressive lifting capacity of up to 6,000 kg and a maximum reach of 30 meters. This crane demonstrates its prowess in forestry applications. The efficiency of chainsaw machines in cutting through dense wood has seen a significant boost thanks to innovations in chain design, automatic lubrication systems, and enhanced safety features. From precise pruning tasks to large-scale felling operations, chainsaw machines showcase their adaptability, proving instrumental in maintaining landscapes and supporting sustainable forestry practices. This Husky 572 XP chainsaw is lightweight and portable to meet the needs of arborists, allowing them to move through tree canopies with ease and precision. The time it takes for this machine to process a tree only takes about 3 minutes. If you are a forestry lover, please subscribe to our channel to receive more useful information. Now, let's see with me how heavy machinery in forestry works. The portability and reliability of modern chainsaw machines contribute to their effectiveness in emergency situations, aiding in the swift removal of fallen trees and debris after storms or natural disasters. Innovations like chainsaw milling attachments further expand the capabilities of chainsaw machines, turning them into on-site lumber processing tools, providing a sustainable solution for woodworkers. Let's take a close look to see the power of the logging monsters. This video was 11 years ago, but at that time the power of chainsaws had already developed like this.
Fantastisch. Sehr kraftvoll, hängt am Gas. Ich habe kaum Vibrationen oben im Baum.
Chainsaw machines play a crucial role in sustainable forestry practices, striking a balance between efficient wood harvesting and environmental conservation. Combining electric and gasoline-powered chainsaws not only enhances their environmental friendliness, but also expands their versatility, allowing for quieter and emission-free operation. What a huge log! Let's see if he can cut through it. With this cut, it will ensure that the tree does not fall in another direction. With advanced technology and techniques, these saws have revolutionized the efficiency and scale of woodworking operations. Their formidable strength allows them to easily cut through large logs, demonstrating not only their outstanding speed, but also their ability to handle many different types of wood. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel to support me. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.